There is a long and fierce war going on between two kings of neighboring states, Kashi and Koshal. Koshal, north of Kashi, was a big kingdom, but the king was losing the war. Sensing defeat, and to protect the remaining army, King of Kosal, Kosal Naresh, orders his men to retreat quickly to a nearby village deep in the forest.
Dear soldiers, I am extremely sorry I had asked you to retreat. I know you are all brave and you have fought fearlessly. But in a battle, you should be wise enough to know when to leave so that you can fight and win it another day. Though we were complete strangers, these poor villagers gave us food and place to stay. We should be grateful to them and offer our help in whatever way we can.
The villagers took great care of the king and the soldiers. In return, the soldiers helped them in farming the crops in their fields. But soon summer passed and there was torrential rain which flooded all the crops.
I am so sorry. I couldn't protect your fields from the fury of the flood. But we cannot challenge the nature. Now we will have to once again work hard and grow them again. There is no other option.
Mukhiya ji, we are ready. But where will we get the seeds? We have no money now.
Suno, suno, suno. The generous King Kashi Naresh has announced that anyone who captures and brings Kosala Naresh alive will get 1000 gold coins. Suno, suno, suno. Suno, suno, suno.
These poor villagers have taken good care of me and my army. They have given me their best heart and never allowed me to do any work. Even though they have been so kind to me, I have done nothing for them in return, even during their troubled times. Fine. I shall go and surrender myself to Kashi Naresh. Kashi Naresh, here I am, for whom you had declared the prize money. Please give the villagers of Shripur the prize of 1000 gold coins so that they will have something to live by in their difficult times. Is it true what he is saying? Are villagers of Shripur in crisis?
Yes, O great king.
O king, I took away your kingdom but could not win over your subjects. They still love you and respect you. For them, still you are their king. They love your straightforwardness. I am also impressed. Hence, herewith, I return your kingdom back to you. O king, please accept my salutations.
This story depicted the value, straightforwardness, Arjavam from the Bhagavad Gita's chapter 13. Those who are straightforward and free of deceit are always trusted and respected by people around them.